Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple track in Cubase 14, but it can be any DAW. So let's dive in. I'm gonna put on my headphone because else I can't hear it too good. And now I can. So first we're gonna start with creating an instrument track, and we select this one for tutorial's sake. And it comes with the initial Retrologue 2. This is how it sounds. It's very basic, and we're gonna create something a little more interesting. I said I make it fast, so and you can of course play your melody, but you can also use the chord pads and then go to this one and then select some chords. This one, for example. You can play these chords also. But if you don't have a MIDI keyboard, I recommend you should get one, but for example now we don't have one. You can also just drag and drop like this. I like the progression, so watch how it sounds. It's a little boring. I turn the reverb off and go to the arpeggiator. Turn the arpeggiator on, go to chord and loop it. Turn on the swing a little. Yeah, so we got our basic chord progression. I keep it very basic today going. And I'm gonna add some drums, and now you can do it on different ways. This is a new way in Cubase. You can select the kick, and then it should work. Oh, I had to make it fast. Drop sample or layer here. Oh, there it goes. And you can edit the sound of the kick. Yeah, well, I don't know if I want to go with this one. And then you can do it like this. Double click. It's an easy way to I want to say play in your drums, but you're not actually playing it in. You're clicking in your drums. And I mean, it's a way to do it. It's a little heavy. It's a little heavy, and I have a short time, so now I want to go back to. No, to go back to this one. Yes, it's a little too. And then you can select the snare. Do the same thing. Here we have a snare. It's a very basic tutorial, of course. And of course we're gonna put some hi-hats in, closed hi-hats. And do it like this. And you can change the velocity a little to make it sound more interesting. And then we go to open hi-hat. It's a little too open. Tweak it a little. And then we're going to add a bass line. Gonna get the same instrument. And we make a little bass line here. Make it quick, make it fast. Where am I talking already? 8 minutes. Oh, it's too long. It's too long. I want to keep it to 10 minutes. That's something I ain't gonna. Oh. Change the pitch, all of them, join, glue, and then go double click, 12, 20. Now we already got got something going. Then we're gonna copy this one and go to here and let the bass make a little go up and down with the melody. Glue it all together. Let's glue. And this one. And you can, for example, for a I told you it's a very basic tutorial. And then you select this one and go -12, apply. And then we're going to add some melody. We're going to take the Retrologue again. And yeah. I'm a little lazy, so I'm going to play it in right now. So this one and then this one on the background. If you select Alt on your Windows PC, you can you get the pencil tool, so you can draw in your notes. And there you got something going already. You can add here only 4 tracks. Only 4 tracks. That's how simple it is to create a simple song. You can go make it a little more interesting. But this is not a standard synth. It's a standard synth, but it doesn't come with Cubase. That's what I wanted to say. Piano. No, I'm looking for pads. Where are my pads? Oh, here are my pads. And then just select. You can also just copy it and delete some of these. I think it's gonna play. This is too low. Oh. No. Undo. Undo. And as I was saying, it's very basic. It's pretty not too interesting melody, but it's to get an idea how to do it. And then you copy this one a few times, and you copy this a few times, and to start creating a build-up. I do it quick and dirty. And here you can throw in some variations, or just cut out some parts. And of course you can filter the crap out of it if you want. I give a little example. I'm already at 20 minutes. I think you get the picture. I hope you like it. I hope you learned something from it. I have to work on my speech. If you like it, please consider subscribing. And if you don't like it, subscribe as well. See you later.